Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to switch on iPad mini. So as you see, my iPad mini is turned off, so all you need to do is just click the power up button located at the top of the screen. Just press it and hold it till you see the Apple logo fading. And then just wait a bit. We might just want to wait for it. And then it should all be fine right now. Just wait for it to load, and then as you see, it's already on. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.